Hi, my name is Paul Tranny, evangelist for Adobe, and I want to walk you through this game that I have created. I created it largely in Flash Pro, which is what you see running here. And I use Flash Pro, of course, because it's rich with graphics, or allows me to add all these various graphics. You can see the game's called Monster Match, and it is, you guessed it, a matching card game. Okay, so I created all these cool little animations with these different characters, all in Flash Pro. And if I could just take a peek at this file. This is really the FLA I'm viewing, and there's also an ActionScript file and some additional files in these other folders that I'm using. But if we could just take a quick review of the SWF file playing in a browser, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch this. Just to give you an idea of how it works. So I can go ahead and click easy. You can see this looks pretty easy. And again, this is a children's game. It's meant to be cute and fun. And I can go through here and attempt to get matches. So pretty easy. You can see, good job. You matched the cards in 19 seconds. The fastest time is actually 13 seconds. So it will store your fastest time, and you can try each time to beat that. So that's pretty cool. I can click New Game, and I can go back and play some more. But really I want to show you this on a device as well as some additional functionality that I have going on. So I already have it published out to my device, and again I just used Flash Pro. I went ahead and published it out to Air for Android, and there's even an iOS version. But I went ahead and published it out, and I can just show you that really fast. Here's my webcam, and the app is right there, so I'll launch it really fast. So kind of tricky to see, but let me kind of bring this a little bit closer. You can see, again, here's the game. I can jump through and play it. And really I've used this Nexus 1 as my baseline Android device. It's been out for about 2 years. It's fairly old, fairly slow compared to newer devices today. So I wanted to have this as my baseline for Android. And for iOS, I tested out using the iPad 1. But again, I wanted to show you something that was really cool about this game, aside from the sweet graphics, is I can go ahead and hit Versus, and it will say, you know what, challenge someone on the same network to a monster match-off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to challenge someone. In fact, if you take a look, again, here's my iPad 1 that I would test out on, and I want to challenge somebody. So let's just watch what happens if I hit challenge. Click challenge, and up pops this message, and it's on both these screens. Look, it communicated to my computer as well as any other device on the network, and it says, hey, you know what, do you want to accept this challenge? You could hit accept in the browser or hit accept on the other device. I'm going to happen to use the other device just so you can see its performance. So again, here's one screen, again, an entirely different platform that I'm talking to. So I'm going to hit accept. It transitions. You can see all the cards animate in, and it does say your move first on the iPad. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this card in the upper left-hand corner. So you can see that it communicated back, shows me both of those cards on the other device. So the idea is, you know, when it's your turn, if you happen to know where the other guy is, because of the first guy's move, I know, okay, he's actually right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that card. It says, sweet, good job, and I get that. I get the cards match for a total of 1 for me. And it says your opponent found a match. So it's kind of fun to be able to play with your son or daughter or friend or whatever. It makes it really fun to be able to interact and be more social when you're on these various devices. And again, this is across multiple devices, multiple platforms, and different screen sizes, all from the same FLA file. And if you hit quit, you can see it quits out of the game as well, and you can always have maybe the other person challenge whatever you want to do. So again, works fine. You can hit challenge, and this person can say decline, like that, and it says the opponent declined. So, but hopefully you do hit yes or accept, and you're well on your way. And I'm going to be releasing the code for this, so the whole idea is for you to go ahead and take advantage of all this code and these files, swap out all the graphics, make something fun yourself, make a cool matching game, and then release it on all the various markets. Thanks for watching.